Hello, my name is Ramon with DoorBird Technical Support, and today I'll show you how to connect a Wi-Fi compatible unit to the internet. You'll need the digital passport, a smartphone or tablet with the DoorBird application, and more importantly, a Wi-Fi compatible unit. Let's get started. In the DoorBird app settings, select Wi-Fi Setup under Further Functionality. Select your device model. In my case, I'll select the DoorBird IP Video Door Station D11X. I'll select Next to begin the Wi-Fi setup process. The next prompt lets us know that you cannot do the Wi-Fi setup if a network cable is currently connected to the device. For security reasons, the device can only be connected to the internet by one method. I'll select Next. The next prompt directs us to disconnect the unit from the power grid briefly and reconnect it. So what I'll do is I'll locate my DoorBird power supply and I'm just gonna unplug it. Wait about 5 seconds and I'll plug it back in. After plugging the device back in, I'll press Next on the prompt. Afterwards, we'll have to wait for the device to play a diagnostic message stating no network. This could take up to 2 minutes.
No network.
Now that the door station played its diagnostic message indicating that it has no network, we'll press Next. And it's going to tell us to press and hold the call button for 10 seconds and then release it. For our peripherals, instead of pressing the call button, you will press the set button located on the back of the device. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'll press the call button for about 10 seconds. And after 10 seconds, I released it.
WiFi Setup mode enabled.
The unit is going to play a message that is going to tell us that the Wi-Fi setup mode has been enabled. So after we're hearing that, I'll press Next. And it's going to tell us to press Continue and log in with the administration credentials from the digital passport document that were enclosed with the device. So in this case, that's going to be the quick start guide. And what we're going to need is we're going to need the right-hand side of the digital passport. So I'll press Continue, and then I'm going to be in this admin name and admin password page. Right here on the right-hand side, you'll see a QR square. I'm gonna go ahead and press that. And that's gonna open up my phone camera. And what I'll have to do is I'll have to point my camera towards the right-hand side QR code. That's gonna automatically enter that username and password for me. So once it entered the username and password for me, I'll go ahead and press Continue. And it'll ask me to join a DoorBird network, so I'll select Join. Gonna do a spinning wheel, and we'll just wait for the next prompt. After joining the DoorBird ad hoc network, you'll be met with a list of Wi-Fi networks that were found by the device. So here, I'll press OK, and then I'm gonna find my Wi-Fi network. And it's gonna ask me to enter the password of my Wi-Fi network. So I'll go ahead and do that. Afterwards, I'll press OK. After pressing OK, we will be met with a prompt that states that the password was successfully saved. It will direct us to connect our personal device back to our personal Wi-Fi network and to once again disconnect the device from power and reconnect it. In 2 minutes, when the device boots back up, it will play a diagnostic message indicating that it's successfully connected to the internet. Now you're ready to add it to the application utilizing the digital passport. So what I'll do is I'll locate my DoorBird power supply and I'm just gonna unplug it. Wait about 5 seconds and I'll plug it back in.
Successfully connected to internet.